Alright, I'm just gonna test my chest prod out. So, ready for Mossmas. I'm doing a practice with my gun. Alright. I don't know how well it's gonna turn out, but let's try. It's my backyard, bitches. That jump was actually harder than it looked. Alright, we're gonna go over there. I can see it, but we're gonna go to a picnic table real quick. And that'll be the end of our training session. Ish. For some reason, I feel like I'm in a movie. I think I'll just go this way. I think I'm just wasting Monday. Oh. My knee hurts. I don't know why. It wasn't hurting a second ago. Alright, this is my favorite camping spot. I lay right here, had the bushes right here, covered, and then I just look down here. Perfect view. But onward and upward. Actually, onward and downward. Another good camping spot right here. It's cleared out a little bit for some reason, I don't know why. I'm just hitting targets that I've set up as we come across them. Almost fell. We're almost to the picnic table. There it is. Mission success.